Welcome to SAT challenge number 1. Can Anthony answer a transition question correctly in under 40 seconds? To complete this challenge, he will have to underline the correct keywords, generate an original response, as well as make the right choice. Let's take a quick look at the question. The main idea in the first sentence of this paragraph is that cystic fibrosis was considered in the past life-limiting. Those are the key words in terms of the meaning of the first sentence. The second sentence is that under treatment, we have a future scenario where it's life-enhancing. The treatment has turned the disease into a life-enhancing expectations. The transition in this case then should introduce a contrast. There's a contrast between these two ideas. Now we're looking for a transition that represents contrast. Which transition introduces a contrast? Let's take a look at Anthony's video here, and one of the requirements is to underline keywords. Here, Anthony is underlining all, I think, nouns and verbs, all important nouns and verbs, but he isn't really focusing on any particular nouns and verbs. The keywords here are life-limiting and can increase life expectancy. Let's see what he does with his own answer. His own answer is the text moves from, he was going to write positive, I think, negative to positive. In this sense, he's absolutely right, and he needs a difference. So he is looking for a contrast. Whether you're describing the contrast as life-limiting to life-enhancing, as the past to the present, or as negative to positive, he's right on either counts. And he does find, yes, the right answer here is however. Consequently, additionally, and finally, do not introduce a contrast, while however does. Good job. How did Anthony do on SAT challenge number 1? Did he get the right answer? He absolutely did. Did he do it in under 40 seconds? Almost. Anthony answered in 52 seconds, which is only 12 seconds short of the goal. In the process, he did generate an insightful original answer, so that was excellent. He also located the right transition and pretty quickly, so he seemed to be very familiar with the definitions of these terms. More practice reading for keywords might shave off a little more time. Can you answer an SAT transition question correctly in under 40 seconds? Pause this video, give it a try. Remember to look for keywords and to write original responses. See my follow-up video for the answer and explanation. Thank you to Anthony from Middlesex, New Jersey for letting me use his screencast, and thank you Morali for modeling language clarity in the article Life-Changing Cystic Fibrosis Treatment. This was on Scientific American. If you send me a screencast of your answering process, I'll critique it for free here on YouTube. I have questions at mastertheexam.weebly.com. I'd suggest using Screencast or Screencastify and Cami, but you could use any program. Underline keywords, include original responses, send the video to sharemyscreencast@gmail.com. Did you enjoy my presentation? Well, let me know. Post a comment, throw me a like, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.